Right, good evening. It is September 24th, nearly 8 o'clock here on the West Coast. Last night we had yesterday we had the Fed at 2 o'clock, 2:15 Eastern, and we have sold off now very nicely. I'm going to show a 2-day chart here of the action just so folks can see this. We have sold off now about 35 points. We hit a high of 1075 and a half. You can see that point right here, and we sold off very nicely to 1041. We told our members this morning, look for a 50% retrace. We hit that 1062, and 1062 happened to be your fib number today, or your pivot, excuse me. So here was the action overnight. We took the high down to the low here overnight of 1052 and change. And I'm going to show you what happened. Very nicely, we rallied right back to the 50% retrace line of 1064 right here. We hit this 1064 area, ticked it right on the open, right before the open. 1062, as I mentioned, was our proprietary pivot. If you want to come into our trading room, again, call Eric, 888-201-4201. Also, we have the Twitter service. If you want to just pay directly, go right to PayPal, and it's $200 a month for our private Twitter trading calls. And again, we told our members to sell 62 to 64 this morning. We hit that right on the button, you can see, and we were ready to sell all the way to 70 this morning. We also told them, so scale in appropriately, and we're looking for at least a move to 1048. We hit that. We covered half here at 1048, picked up 14 points, and then we ended up pulling off the rest of it down here around the 144 area. It did trade down to 141, and we are currently trading 1045. So again, we picked up about 14 points and a half, and another couple on the remaining piece. And folks, it was a crescendo day. We sold off again. We're now 30 points down from the high. I suspect ultimately we're gonna run to 1021, 1031 first, but I expect a bounce now. So 1075 down to 1040. I would love to see a bounce up to that mid 1055 range. I'm offering right now, if we were able to bounce up to the 1055, I would look for another sell, re-enter, and go lower tomorrow. So that is our plan right now for tomorrow. Sell up to this again 1064 area from 1055 on up. We're trading 1046. On the low side, if we trade down to that 1031 tomorrow, I'd probably be a buyer, being that we would come down about 45 points, or around 4.5%. Here's what I expect. I expect a 3 to 5% pullback. We're almost there. We've already pulled back again 30 points, 35 points, which is about 3.5%. So we may even have already seen the sell-off that we're going to see. RIM missed badly today after hours, and RIM is trading down. That's right, down from high 2 days ago of 88, and I think it was trading somewhere around the 73 area, down $10 from the close. So again, you see the action here. This happened to peak same time that the SPOOs peaked. So RIM peaked here at 88, sold off yesterday. Somebody got word of the earnings, and today we just kind of chopped around. And again, the straddle was the only way to play that type of play if you were involved. Congratulations, the straddle directionless, but big move came after hours, and again, RIM is trading down to the 73 area. That one looks to me like it could trade down to 65, maybe 60, 65 pretty easily. You can see there's a number of gaps that need to be filled. We probably filled this first one here at the 73 area. That one is filled, and again, we'll probably battle and then maybe get down to the 65 area next. So that's what I'd look for on the Rimmer, and that's it, folks. Tomorrow is Friday. It's been a good week. Again, join us at the private Twitter feed. You just go to PayPal, pay me directly at mistrade@gmail if you're interested in our entries, exits, and risk parameters every day. We provide that to our private Twitter feed. If you're looking for a little bit more education, then please call Eric at 888-201-4201 and help you with the full program. Thanks. Have a great evening, and we'll chat at you again tomorrow.